Hi everyone, I'm Molly with Echo Park Paper. Today I'm so excited to share a closer look at our new Easter Basket collection kit. This kit includes one each of the 12 double-sided pattern papers. Featuring 20 different patterns and 4 journaling cards, this Easter-themed collection brings joyful spring charm and festive Easter fun to your creative projects. Perfect for scrapbooking egg hunts, springtime traditions, or simply celebrating a love for soft spring colors, this collection is designed to help you tell stories that feel cheerful, sweet, and full of springtime joy. Also included in our collection kits is a 12 by 12 element sticker sheet.